Mời con cái ngoan lên ghế.
Để làm gì nhở?
Để ăn.
Ăn cơm, đúng rồi. Bây giờ mẹ nói lại nhé. Mẹ mời con gái yêu lên ghế để ăn cơm nào.
She didn't eat her food and she was a little bit naughty, so that we decided not to talk to her for 1 hour. You agree? Yeah, you can't talk. If you're an extrovert, she's an extrovert, I think. It's really painful not having anybody to talk to. There you sit here. Let's have a talk. Oh, this is a fridge. Yeah? See? This is a beautiful fridge. It has no color, only black and white. Jupiter and Mars. Sorry for what? Tomorrow you say sorry.
I say sorry now.
I don't need to. Tomorrow.
I get a candy.
What?
I get a candy.
No.
I don't open.
So we're really about to laugh, but no, we had to hold it back. All the jewelry? Oh, like a princess.
Yeah.
What else do you have?
Dad, I love this for flying.
No, this is not for Brian. This one is, it's a bracelet to put it on your hand. You can put on your hand. Oh my baby!
Let's do put on the hand.
Now you look like a real princess.
I'm not the princess.
And what are you?
This thing.
But you look really nice.